Let's see here. This is a 2016 Dodge 3500, and we're going to show you how easy it is to program the security keys. So let's bring you down here and load her up. Hi. Okay, let's get the screen on. Set. Dodge. Right now the ignition's off. Can't see that button. Sorry. Smart. Turn ignition on. Hit OK. We have a new key in bag. Ignition off and turn four-way flashers on. There's the read password. Cool. Immobilizer smart. Number of keys learned. Okay, so it knows that. Add key. What does it say? Please turn ignition off. Okay, let's... Ah, there we go. Okay, do you want to learn next key? No? Alright, all done anyway. If you found this video useful, give it a like. If you want to see what I program next, consider subscribing. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.